In this video, we're gonna check whether it is possible to install Gcam on POCO F8 Pro and POCO F8 Ultra. In order to check that, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to type Gcamator. There is an app that allows us to check if there is a compatible version of a Gcam for our device. So I'm gonna download this app and let's open it. Over here, we can allow the app to send us notifications, of course, and then in here in home we should be able to see if the Gcam is available. If it's not, then you will see something like this. So I can request the Gcam, so perhaps it will be added in the future. However, due to the fact that there is no Gcam ready for this specific model, what you can do is you can switch to Gcams at the bottom over here, and then we can search for some other versions made by, or actually made for, other models of the phone. So in this case, we're gonna type Xiaomi, and we are looking for the newest Gcam and the newest Android possible from this list. Of course, the list is quite long in this case, but let's actually scroll all the way down. Maybe they will be accessible at the bottom, some newer versions, but it seems that no. So I think these at the top are one of the newest ones. So I'm gonna download this one, and then most likely you will open this page where we can see the port version and the Android version for the selected model. So right now we are downloading Gcam for another smartphone, but we're gonna tap on inspect over here, and I'm gonna download the APK file, and we're gonna see if it is compatible with our POCO F8 Pro and F8 Ultra. Of course, keep in mind that due to the fact that this version is made for another smartphone, there might be some bugs, glitches. Maybe the app will be just crashing all the time. So we're gonna find out if we can actually somehow use the app, if there is a way to use it. All right, the app was installed, so now we're gonna open it. Let's grant the permission to record. There we go. All right, so the camera preview seems to be working right now. Let's see if we can zoom out. Yes, we can. All right, so some of the features work. Front camera works as well. Let's switch to the video mode. And it seems to be working too. Let's capture a photo. Let's go through settings. So it seems that actually the app seems to be working just fine. Here we have some additional options that we can go through, of course. So there seems to be no crashes at all, which is of course a really good news. So what you can do is you can try to download the exact same version. So I used this one. You might need to enter the exact name of the model, and hopefully it works just fine. So far, no issues at all. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.